penalty, that's the scream. Warning, Alibawan. Okay, at the rest 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Score 85-84. Alibawan 85. Touchdown draw. Chelsea. Here's Ryan. Iron Rest. Lakas ka ng rasa eh. At yung pernitang buwan. Taray. Toro. Oh, labay. Hoy! Toro. Si Boyce by Chip. Hoy!
Ayay, nadas.
Si Pino Bola. Mawag. Si Pino.
Pickleball.
Akan ang tigil po. Watching to the shot clock. Gillespie to Bagato. 10 second shot clock. Whoopsie!
Nice, nice, nice.
6 second shot clock.
Full press.
Okay, the score now 87, 88, 86. 5, 2,
Attack!
Okay, penalty.
Penalty.
Both teams penalty. Both teams penalty. Okay, and then the second game. Team Talk versus JCP. Velasquez. Transfer back. Caballero to Andoy. Oi, Steve! Steve! Asu Bensi. Bensi. Yasu Gakayan. Gakayan dulu. Lima Mesanoy. Stop. Valeria to Gakayan. Digit. Digit. Up. Down. Who's on it? Down by number 05. 05 is warning foul by Gakayan. EOT. Okay, the oras 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Okay, napabutulog na. Tuwan on. Time out on. Both teams, 2 time, 3 time out. Okay, salam. Gakayan. Gakayan to Ayan. Bola. Ibang line to Mayor. Yaso Caballero. Caballero to Andoy. No! Sub. Foul by Ayan. First foul by Ayan. Sub. He's up, sub. Hey, wala? Hey, ref. Okay. 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Okay, ang oras. Alas 8:41. Iguales na. Labaw na. Taas kayong oras. Bensi. Sige. Vivo Mesanoy. Sanoy. Elsa Carelia. 1-2 point by Carelia. Daka. Alibawan. Hook. Ay!